Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Today, I'm unveiling the ultimate solution for Ford F150 4x4 enthusiasts, the world's best shocks. Whether you're conquering rugged terrain or cruising the city streets, these shocks elevate your ride to unparalleled comfort and performance. Stick around to discover why these are a game changer for your F150. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. Monroe Load Adjusting 58653 Suspension Shock Absorber and Coil Spring Assembly Pack for Ford F150. Designed to tackle heavy loads and rough terrain, these shocks provide exceptional stability and control. Engineered with Monroe's patented ASD technology, they adjust instantly to changing road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride no matter the cargo. The integrated coil spring enhances comfort and reduces body roll, while the durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance. Whether you're hauling equipment or navigating off-road trails, trust Monroe Load Adjusting shocks to deliver superior handling and support for your Ford F150. Upgrade your suspension today for a smoother, safer ride. Number 2. Rough Country's N3 Rear Shocks for 2009 to 2024 Ford F150 trucks. Engineered for superior performance, these shocks deliver unmatched stability and control on and off-road. With a variable dampening system, they adjust to your driving conditions, ensuring a smooth ride over any terrain. The 10-stage velocity-sensitive valving reacts quickly to bumps and dips, providing excellent handling and comfort. Their durable construction and nitrogen-charged design guarantee long-lasting reliability. Whether you're cruising the highway or tackling rugged trails, Rough Country's N3 Rear Shocks offer the perfect balance of comfort and performance for your Ford F150. Upgrade your ride today. Number 3. Detroit Axle's Rear Shock Absorbers, a reliable solution for enhancing your Ford Ford Ranger, F150, F250, F350, or Mazda vehicle's performance. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this pair of shock absorbers promises a smooth and stable ride, even on the toughest terrains. Engineered to OEM specifications, they ensure a perfect fit and hassle-free installation. With their premium construction and advanced damping technology, these shock absorbers provide excellent control and comfort, delivering superior handling and reduced vibrations. Upgrade your driving experience with Detroit Axle's Rear Shock Absorbers for unmatched reliability and performance. Number 4. Autosaver 88 Complete Struts compatible with Ford F150 and Lincoln Mark LT 4WD front and rear shock. Engineered for optimal performance, these struts offer a seamless blend of durability and smooth driving experience. Crafted specifically for Ford F150 and Lincoln Mark LT 4WD models, these struts ensure a precise fit and hassle-free installation. With high-quality materials and advanced engineering, they provide excellent stability and control on various road conditions. Experience enhanced comfort and handling with Autosaver 88 Complete Struts, designed to elevate your driving experience to the next level. Upgrade your ride today and enjoy the road with confidence. Number 5. Satu Shocks Absorbers redefine your driving experience with precision engineering and durability. Crafted to perfection, these front-rear gas strut shock absorbers ensure optimal comfort and stability on every road. Engineered for a seamless fit, they effortlessly integrate into your vehicle's suspension system, providing unmatched performance and reliability. With their gas-charged design, these shocks absorb impact with ease, delivering a smooth and controlled ride. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rough terrain, Satu Shocks Absorbers elevate your driving experience to new heights. Upgrade your ride today and feel the difference with Satu. In conclusion, choosing the right shocks for your Ford F150 4x4 is crucial for a smooth and controlled ride. After thorough research and testing, we've highlighted the top options that offer durability, performance, and value. Upgrade your driving experience today with the best shocks tailored to your truck's needs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more updates.